actually works. It's super cool. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Microsoft rewards so we can actually get unlimited points on Microsoft rewards. So I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, I only have 17,000 points, but in the mod menu I can actually turn on 100,000 points. So I'm going to press unlock, and as you can see guys, it's adding it to my Microsoft rewards account. So let's see if the points go up. So I don't see a change yet, but it should work. So let's see what happens, and bang guys, it says finalizing. Okay, 100,000 points activated. All right, so let's see if the points do increase, and no, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited Microsoft rewards points just like me in 2025. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys are interested, I am providing the real tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to a new website. So this is going to be tweakmod.com. So on this website guys, what I want you to do is just type in Microsoft rewards. So once it comes up, go ahead and press install, and before the mod does finish downloading, there's going to be a verification step. So during this step, what we need to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free to do from the official app store, and this will give you unlimited Microsoft rewards points. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, it's almost done. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. And yeah, this works on iPhone and Android, so you can do it on any phone guys as long as it's recent. So that is super awesome. So as you can see, it's loading right here. So now it says missing files. So basically I just need to download like 2 of these apps. You can see like Family Island says reach level 11. So I could do this, or I could do Scanner app, which says I have to search up an app by Moonicorn Limited. And then there's Underdog Fantasy, which just says down and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of the apps, and then you'll have unlimited points on Microsoft rewards guys.